Hello my friends, welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious cake with 3 delicious flavors: vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate, and made in one bowl. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This amazing and delicious cake, these are the ingredients: non-stick baking cream that you already have it on my channel. It's a homemade baking cream, a mold, vanilla extract, milk, vegetable oil, strawberry extract, pinch of salt, baking powder, coffee in powder, chocolate in powder, eggs, granulated sugar, and all-purpose flour. This is everything we need to prepare this amazing bread at home. The holidays are around the corner, so let's make this amazing bread at home. So let's get started. Homemade non-stick cream for your baking. You have this video already step by step how to make this amazing creamy non-stick cream for all your baking. Here I am going to go ahead and start brushing it with this amazing non-stick cream. It's very easy to prepare, and you already have the step-by-step on how to prepare this amazing non-stick cream at home. And here my baking dish has been covered completely. I'm going to put it aside, and I am going to continue sifting my dry ingredients. I have the all-purpose flour that I'm going to be adding a little bit at a time until I am completely done adding my all-purpose flour. I'm going to go ahead, sift it very good. To this, I'm going to add my sugar. I'm going to do the same thing. Don't forget to add your baking powder. I'm going to add the baking powder, and I'm going to add the pinch of salt. This is very important. Always sift your dry ingredients so that your cake comes out nice and fluffy and delicious. This cake is Neapolitan cake. It has 3 different flavors: the vanilla, the strawberry, and the chocolate. Why use 3 different bowls when you could make this cake in one simple bowl? Here I have my eggs. Remember that the eggs need to be at room temperature, and they really give this cake nice and spongy, nice and soft, moist from the inside. You're really going to love this recipe. I'm adding my vegetable oil in here. I'm going to incorporate it and then add the milk. It's a very simple cake, but yet it really comes out delicious. The 3 flavors, you could really taste the vanilla flavor, the strawberry flavor, and the chocolate. And here I am ready to pour it into the dry ingredients, and I'm going to go ahead and just mix it in, making sure that everything is nice and incorporated. Once this is done, because it's going to take about 5 minutes to incorporate everything in here, and you could really see the texture of the mixture. It's nice and thick, yet it's not too runny. And now I am going to separate the amounts for the vanilla. For the vanilla bread, I'm going to use 1.5 cups, and I'm going to add it right inside my bowl. Remember, you're adding 1.5 cups of the mixture. One for just the vanilla, and the other one for the chocolate, and then the other one for the strawberry. Okay, I'm going to put it aside, and now in this bowl I'm going to add the 1.5, because on this small bowl I am going to add the strawberry extract. The strawberry extract with the color. And here I have the coffee granules. To the coffee granules, I'm going to just dissolve it with hot water. You have the ingredients in the description box. I'm going to go ahead, add it into the chocolate powder or the cocoa powder. Add it in here, and then just add it to the rest of the mixture. I'm going to add it in here. I'm going to incorporate it really good. Remember that the chocolate really brings up the coffee, really brings up the flavor of the chocolate. That's why you need to add coffee to your cocoa powder. Okay, this is done. Now we are going to add the strawberry extract and color to the rest of the 1.5 cups, okay? We are going to really incorporate it slowly, making sure that there is no yellow mixture in this mix. So now that it's nice and incorporated, I'm going to start adding it to the bowl. I'm going to do it very softly, very slow. I'm going to pour it very slow so it doesn't go to the bottom and it stays right on top of the vanilla mixture, okay? Just like that. I'm going to help myself with the spatula, trying to cover all the yellow, but yet I'm not pushing down. I'm just like sweeping to the sides. And I'm going to do the same thing with the chocolate. I'm helping myself with the spatula so it doesn't fall too heavy into the top of the strawberry mixture. Look at this. You don't need 2 bowls to make this Neapolitan cake at home. Of course, if you want to add a lot of toppings, go ahead. But to me, this is just perfect. Preheat your oven to 350 Fahrenheit. Preheat it. And when you are done, your oven is nice and hot. I'm going to go ahead, put it inside the oven for 35 minutes. Remember, every oven is different. I'm going to leave it in there for 35 minutes. And now the time is up and I am ready to pull it out and reveal how this cake came out. I'm going to help myself with the screwer. I'm going to see if, look, it came out clean. That means that it is ready. It's cooked all the way. And now let's reveal. Let's see how this is going to come out. Look at this, how beautiful it came out. I'm going to go ahead, just let it rest for a little bit, because right now it's really nice and hot. And it came out perfect. Remember, use the homemade cream, nonstick cream for your baking. I'm going to go ahead, put it aside, and I want to add a little bit of decoration. I have some sprinkles with a lot of colors, 1 tablespoon of milk, and of course, the powdered sugar. I am going to put this aside because I just want to add a little bit of decoration on the top. I'm going to add the milk into the powder sugar, and I am just going to mix it completely until it looks nice and thick, just like that. Nice and creamy. It's not too runny. It's just perfect to add it on the top of the Neapolitan cake. Look at this. Nice and creamy. And now I am ready to just pour it on the top. The cake is not hot anymore. I'm just going to pour it on the top. Let it run slowly through the edges so that it gives that beautiful decoration to this amazing and delicious Neapolitan cake. Now I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of sprinkles on the top so that it sticks to it. And voila, this is ready. I am ready for the presentation. I am ready to slice a piece off and taste it, because this is the best part, tasting my recipes. My home smells amazing. And of course, I'm going to go ahead, put a little slice here. And now, look at this. Look how soft and moist this cake is from the inside. Let me cut a little piece so that you could see how soft and moist it is. This Neapolitan cake is perfect for the holidays. I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. My friends, I am completely done with this amazing vanilla, strawberry, and chocolate cake. Perfect for the holidays. This is the part I really love and enjoy. Tasting my recipes. Of course, I have a glass of cold milk, nice and cold. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Let's see how this came out. It's really soft, really spongy. And of course, the best three flavors. Excuse me. Delicious. It came out so fluffy. The three combinations of the flavors, amazing. You could really taste the chocolate, the strawberry, and the vanilla. I hope, my friends, you give it a try and you make it and enjoy it like I enjoy it here with my family. Just amazing. Like I always say, perfection made at home. When you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. If you liked and loved my recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you did, leave it activated so every time I make an amazing recipe like I did today, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here, and thank you for being part of my family. Like, subscribe, and see you on my next delicious recipe. Bye-bye.